Got a little 2008 Ford C-Max in today, little 1.8 turbo diesel. The owner has seen our videos on Facebook and on social media, and the car's done a few miles, but it's in good condition, as you can see. So he's wanting the vehicle decarbonising to restore lost performance, increase his fuel economy, and just get the vehicle driving as it was meant to. So here we have the vehicle hooked up. We're holding a few revs on so we can target the EGR and various other sensors. The gas is being introduced through the airflow system, through the airbox, and it's hooked up to the Hydroflow unit, which is making its hydrogen. That's orthoxy hydrogen, which is H2O2. So distilled water is put into the unit. A process of pyrolysis, which is a large amount of electricity, is passed through the distilled water, which splits the atom and converts it from H2O into H2O2. This is then passed through the engine, and this combusts along with the vehicle's diesel, and you get a stratified combustion, which, how I see it in my head, is a bit like watching a planing action. Microscopic levels of carbon are removed from the combustion chamber, the valves, everything from the combustion chamber south, and this takes about an hour for the 2,000 litres to be produced and combusted. So if you're wanting to restore your performance on your vehicle, Hydroflow machine is the class leader. A lot of substitutes on the market, all cheap and cheerful, but if you're wanting it done the correct way, this is the way to do it.